Okay, Rabaconda just came in. Package states that it is 36 pounds. It's about 10, 20, 30 inch long package. 8-inch high and 12 inches wide. And I believe it's supposed to come in a bag. So let's see what we got. All right. Also, I bought the spacer for the VFR rear. You need something, a hub adapter, because it doesn't have a nice throughput like that. And I bought some of their Rabaconda tire grease, and I bought a little spreader to go with the tire grease, bead grease, and a little cute little brushy brush. Not much. They throw in a big ass bar. I think that's to get started. Operator's manual, and there's videos online. Here's the bag. The bag it's going to store in and carry it around. So it's basically a 3-foot long by 10 by 12 bag, something like that. That holds everything, apparently. And then the various components. It's the bead breaker arm, basically. It's going to break the bead. This is part of the floor stand. So it's going to go on here. There's going to be a bar, this bar. The tire is going to mount on. It's going to slide right in here, like this. Okay. Then it's got a little stand. So it makes a 3-point stance. 1, 2, and 3. Sits in the ground, like so. And then you've got your various implements for tire removal, tire replacement, and tire breakage. That looks like part of the bead breaker. Okay. So, a couple boxes. Yep, this is basically parts to hold the wheel and other parts in place. This is to put in there and lock the wheel in when you've got the wheel mounted. And then there's the business end. That's the ratcheting thing, which spins thing around. This looks to be all steel, and there's only one unpretty non-polished weld right there, but everything else looks pretty good. This is called the duck face, which is going to go underneath. This is going to wrap around the rim here. This is going to go underneath the tire and pull it on, press it off. And that's it. That's the quick unboxing of the Rabaconda. And I'm going to get the video out and make sure I get this set up for 17-inch tires. You know, should be good.